Welcome to Easy English Learning.
Thanks, Ava. Happy to be here.
Today we're diving deep into something everyone needs: confidence.
Absolutely. Confidence is not just a feeling, it's a skill.
I love that. A skill means we can build it, right?
Exactly. You're not born with it. You grow it.
So where do we begin?
It starts with one thing: believing in your worth,
Even when we don't feel worthy?
especially then.
That's powerful.
You've got to remind yourself daily, I matter.
Like an affirmation?
Yes, but it has to come with action too.
What kind of action?
Tiny steps. One small one builds big confidence.
Give me an example.
Speak up in a meeting. Make that phone call.
The uncomfortable things.
Confidence lives just outside your comfort zone.
That zone is scary sometimes.
It is. But you grow when you face fear.
So fear isn't the enemy?
Nope. Fear is your signal to grow.
Wow. That's a mindset shift.
And mindset is everything.
What about people who don't believe in themselves?
They need to prove to themselves that they can.
How?
By doing hard things. On purpose.
Like waking up early?
Or saying no when it's hard.
Saying no builds confidence?
Big time. It shows you value your time.
So boundaries build self-worth?
Yes. Boundaries are self-respect in action.
That's gold.
Confidence is tied to self-respect.
What about negative self-talk?
You have to fight it. Daily.
Like I'm not good enough?
Flip it. Say, I'm learning and growing.
I like that.
Replace every I can't with I'm trying.
Language matters.
It shapes how you see yourself.
So speak kindly to yourself.
Always. You're listening.
That's deep.
Confidence is also built by keeping promises to yourself.
Like what?
If you say you'll work out, do it.
Discipline grows confidence?
100%.
I never thought of it that way.
Most people think confidence is loud.
But it can be quiet too?
Yes. It's calm. Rooted.
How do you stay calm under pressure?
Breathe. Slow down. Trust yourself.
Trust yourself, that's key.
And stop comparing.
Comparison kills confidence.
Exactly. Run your own race.
What if people don't believe in us?
Then believe in yourself more.
Easy to say.
Hard to do. But worth it.
How do we handle rejection?
Don't take it personally. Learn from it.
So rejection is redirection?
Boom. Exactly.
That changes everything.
Confidence comes from experience.
Even failure?
especially failure.
So fail forward.
Yes, keep moving.
What are signs of real confidence?
You don't need to prove anything.
You stay humble,
Confident people lift others up.
not tear them down.
Right. Insecurity shouts. Confidence whispers.
I love that.
Confidence also comes from knowing who you are.
And liking that person.
Yes, even the flaws.
What role does body language play?
Huge. Stand tall. Smile.
So posture helps mindset?
It tricks your brain into confidence.
That's a hack.
Walk like you're confident, and your brain follows.
Powerful.
Eye contact is key too.
What about when we make mistakes?
Forgive quickly.
Don't beat yourself up.
Never. Talk to yourself like a coach.
Not a critic.
Right.
Let's talk about goals.
Clear goals build direction.
And direction builds confidence?
Exactly. You're not just floating.
What if we have no idea what we want?
Then explore. Try things.
Confidence grows with curiosity?
Yes. Life is a practice.
Not a performance.
Beautifully said.
I've struggled with self-doubt.
Me too. Everyone does.
Even confident people?
Especially them. They just learn how to manage it.
How do they do that?
They feel the fear and act anyway.
So courage first, confidence second?
Yes.
What books or tools helped you?
Journaling. Daily gratitude.
Writing helps clarity.
And reflection builds wisdom.
What about speaking in public?
Practice out loud. In the mirror.
That really works?
Yes. It builds presence.
What if I still feel small?
You're not small. You're just scared.
Big difference.
And guess what? You can do scary things.
That's the confidence motto.
Yes.
One last tip?
Take action. Even if it's messy.
Action builds clarity too.
Yes. Start small. Start now.
Confidence is waiting on the other side of fear.
Every time.
Let's wrap it up with a confidence mantra.
I love that.
I am enough. I am growing. I can do hard things.
Say it again.
I am enough. I am growing. I can do hard things.
One more time. Feel it.
I am enough. I am growing. I can do hard things.
You've got this.
And you're not alone.
Every confident person started scared.
So true.
Thanks for having me, Ava.
Thank you, Jay. This was gold.
Keep shining, listeners,
And keep showing up for yourself.
because confidence is earned every day.
One brave step at a time.
One decision at a time.
Speak kindly to yourself.
And do things that scare you.
Confidence is practice.
And it's possible for everyone.
Even you, listening right now.
Especially you.
The world needs your voice.
And your light.
Start now.
Not tomorrow.
Not next week.
Today.
Right now.
Just begin.
You don't need to be perfect.
Just present.
And real.
Because real confidence is authenticity.
And believe you're worthy of it.
Because you are.
Thank you, Jay.
Thank you, Ava.
And thank you for listening.
We believe in you.
We'll see you next time.